Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Logracia, and if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, welcome. Today we're starting off on freshly washed hair. All I've done is shampoo and condition, and we are going to start off with a simple and quick and easy way to curl your hair without using heat, which is what I did in this case, or you can apply some heat to ensure that your hair dries faster. I'm not going to explain everything because I think most things are self-explanatory. You can use any of the products that you have already. I've just given you an idea of what I am using. If you need the details of the products that I've used, just let me know in the comment section and I'll gladly send that information to you. This is the following day and we are going to take down this hair. Please ensure that your hair or your hands, I beg your pardon, are lightly oiled. This helps you prevent frizz. I don't mind frizz at all. As you'll see, I'll be creating a lot of frizz in my hair. And yeah, keep watching.
You got me going crazy every time you walk through the door. No matter how much you give me, always leave me wanting more, wanting more. I've been wasting my time on girls that ain't you, girls that ain't you. Baby, I've been wasting my time on girls that ain't you, girls that ain't you. Yeah, so tell me how you really feeling. Tell me if you're feeling good. No, I don't wanna jump the gun, babe, but I don't wanna be misunderstood. I'm not trying to get baby. Maybe I just thought you'd say no. Whatever the reason for it was pretty stupid, I'm sure. And now you got me going crazy every time you walk through the door. No matter how much you give me, always leave me wanting more, wanting more. I've been wasting my time on girls that ain't you, girls that ain't you. Baby, I've been wasting my time on girls that ain't you, girls that ain't you. Yeah, so tell me how you really feeling. Tell me if you're feeling good. No, I don't wanna jump the gun, babe, but I don't wanna be misunderstood. I'm not trying to rush this whole thing. I wanna make sure it all feels right. Can't you see I need you in my life? I don't know, I've been wasting my time on girls that ain't you, girls that ain't you. Baby, I've been wasting my time on girls that ain't you, girls that ain't you. Yeah, I've been wasting my time on girls that ain't you, girls that ain't you. Baby, I've been wasting my time on girls that ain't you, girls that ain't you. Tell me why.
You can shape your hair, tuck it, pin it up, pin it down as you see fit. I pinned in the back sections of my hair because that is looser due to heat damage, but do what works for you.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page? Tonight can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection.
Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and remember to give it a big thumbs up. If you try out this video, or if you try out this method, please let me know and tag me on your socials if you're keen on doing that. Thank you. Bye.